How to interest people. Principle 5, talk in terms of the other person's interests. People enjoy talking about themselves and certain specific topics. Other people usually share their interests in the hope that the person they are speaking with will also share their interests. When people have something in common, the conversation usually goes in a positive direction and a relationship can be established. When you speak in terms of the other person's interests, you connect their memories with yours, forming a relationship. You instinctively demonstrate that you understand them, that you have made the extra effort to learn about their interests. Now you contribute to something they already know, therefore providing value to their understanding of the topic. When you provide value to another individual, they usually try to return with equal or greater value. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 2, Ways to Make People Like You. Subscribe, like, follow for more.